Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Before You Cry. Today, we're diving deep into the Logitech MK540 Advanced Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo, available on Amazon. Let's see if it's a yay or a nay. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next product showdown. So, the Logitech MK440 Advanced, a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It falls under the electronics, computers and accessories, computer accessories and peripherals, keyboards, mice and accessories, keyboard and mouse combos category. Logitech is the brand, and Amazon is where you can find it. Originally priced at $59.99, it's currently on sale with a 5% discount, bringing it down to $56.99. Is this a deal worth snatching? Does this wireless combo provide the performance and convenience you are seeking in your daily work or play? Let's find out. Let's break down the specs. The MK540 boasts a full-size keyboard designed for precision typing with reduced noise. Logitech claims it offers a familiar typing experience right out of the box. The mouse features an ambidextrous design with soft rubber side grips, ensuring comfortable use for both left and right-handed users. Battery life is impressive, with up to 36 months for the keyboard and 18 months for the mouse. It uses a 2.4 GHz Unifying USB receiver for a reliable wireless connection up to 33 feet. Hotkeys provide quick access to media, calculator, and battery check functions. It's compatible with Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, and Chrome OS. But how does all of this translate to real-world performance? Is the typing experience truly comfortable? Does the wireless connection hold up? Keep watching to hear what real users are saying. Let's peek at what other buyers are saying. Overall, the combo scores a 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 1,798 reviews. The general consensus is that the keyboard and mouse offer good quality and a comfortable typing experience. Many appreciate the quiet operation and value for money. However, some users report connectivity issues and random disconnections, while others praise its solid and easy connection to a laptop. One user said, "It's Logi, usually good quality." Another mentioned, "This is a perfect and simple keyboard. It is wireless, durable, and is relatively quiet." But be warned, some have experienced lag with the keyboard. Like one user stated, "The keyboard is great, but the mouse started to deteriorate within 1 month of use." What does that tell you? So, is the Logitech MK540 Advanced a worthwhile purchase? It seems to offer a solid combination of comfort, convenience, and features at a reasonable price. However, potential connectivity and responsiveness issues are something to consider. If you prioritize a comfortable typing experience and long battery life, and the price is what you are looking for, this combo might be a good fit for you. But if you need rock-solid reliability and responsiveness, you might want to explore other options. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching Try Before You Cry. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next one.